All right, what's going on, guys? It's Matt here, and I'm going to bring you one more bonus site to check out when you're starting your Instagram or online business. So, if you're ready, let's go. I came across this on TikTok about a week ago, and I was a little skeptical at first. I checked it out, and I actually dove in, and I like what I see. It's called standwith.me. It's a one-stop shop, so I'll go ahead and I'll sign into my account, and it's free, so you don't have to pay anything. So the whole point of Stand With Me is to optimize the link in your bio. So I know I talked about other things like Linktree, and my favorite beacons.ai. But Stand With Me is actually pretty cool because it's kind of like a one-stop shop. So I know a lot of people who are in the business niche on Instagram like to offer the e-downloads like ebooks and things like that. They like to offer their one-on-one coaching and the whole nine, and booking, scheduling calls and things like that. So this is all done in one single app. So you don't have to sign up for like 2 to 3 to 4 different apps. So first and foremost, when you log in, we have our dashboard. It'll show you how many site visits and how much money you made. Obviously, I just started off, and I'm not really pushing this link. I'll be quite honest with you. I'm not really pushing this link right now. I'm working on something else, but I am going to show you how to set this up in the whole nine because I think it's pretty cool, and it's definitely one to keep in your back pocket. So you'll see right off the bat, you can get your own custom link. It's stand out with me / and then your username. So that's all set up in settings. You can change your password, and you get referral links. So if you like to affiliate with them, you already could refer people, and you could get that. So edit site design is where you're going to go, where you could actually have all these different things. You have a preset list of things that you have. I kind of tweaked it a little bit to what I was going to push it for and use on TikTok until I changed my link up again. But it's really cool because right over here, profile photo and links, you could go ahead, you could set a custom theme color. So if you have your logo in Canva, you could very easily just go to your brand kit in Canva, and you could click on that color, Control C and Control V that right in there. You have all of your social URLs. If you need to add more, you could add more socials. The guy who coded this out literally covered pretty much everything: Twitch, Facebook, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Vimeo, or Venmo. You can even have your Venmo link there. YouTube, email, Discord, the whole nine. So it's pretty cool. So the next one, that has a grab it now. So this is actually pretty cool. What you could do is you could actually have it set to basically be your funnel. So this, you could use this as a free funnel where they could actually smash that grab it now. So I'll bring you to that page. So this is actually the page live. So when they grab it now, it'll go ahead and capture their email, their name, and they'll have the ability to send you a message and then submit. And then once they hit submit, it'll automatically email them your PDF or your video that you're giving them for free. So it's very good for the number one thing you want in affiliate marketing: lead capturing. You want to make sure you're capturing these leads that you're trying to get to, that are coming to your page and then going to another page. You want to make sure you capture that email. The next cool thing that we'll talk about, and you could customize that picture. So I created that picture in Canva in 5 seconds. Customize all the text. You could edit the button to say whatever you want. So the describe your product, when they actually go to click on the describe your product, it'll actually have the description right there. You can go ahead and set your price. And this is cool too. You could actually make it a subscription based as well. So it'll charge them monthly or weekly. So I know a lot of guys like to make the smaller payments. So you could always set that option directly up through here. Add additional options down below, where you could collect more information from your customer if you want more than their name and their email, if you want to do phone number and things like that. So there's a bunch of different buttons that they already have for the grab it now. Ask me anything. So the guy who created this has the option. You could ask them, and he'll send you a video, a one-on-one video. He'll basically record a video specifically to your needs, talking about your product, and send it to you for like $9. So you could even have that option. A paid membership site So that's something like join my Discord, where you could actually have I personally set up a Discord just to try this out, where you could actually set that up. You could charge people for access to that Discord channel, that Discord server, so they have direct access to talk to you. Any links, so if you have different links, you could link them out over there. So that's cool. So you kind of treat this like a link tree, a booking agent, basically like a personal service. One thing I thought was cool that really grabbed my attention was the schedule a call. So you could actually integrate your Google Calendar. So if you have a Google account or a Gmail account, you could easily integrate that to book the call. So when you are actually integrating your calendar, it'll you have to allow permissions and then allow them to edit the events. So now people, when they go to book a call with you, they could easily go right over here to book a one-on-one call. They could select a date and time that you set. Like, I'm not available on the weekend, so it's not an option. And then you go ahead and book any time slot that you need. 12 p.m. confirm booking, and then both parties would get emailed after you drop your email and your name there. So this way you could set that up, and then you could, this is where I would say the only third-party app you need that's not going to come with the Standout with me is actually Zoom. So you'd have to sign up for Zoom or like any other video chat service. So it's pretty cool. It's all in one. So now the big part is payment. How does the payment come in? So payouts, from what I see, will be taken into the app. And then once you hit set up payouts, you could add your routing number and your account number, and then it'll pay you out via there. So they use Stripe as the back end. So that's how they're capturing the payments. So what I'm assuming is it's going user A. All right. So back to the bank details. I had to take a quick break. It seems like they capture the money for you, and then they pay you out what you earned to your bank account. So they're kind of playing middleman, which is fine. To me, that's cool with me because it's kind of a one-stop shop. I could just go in and drop my deposits for direct deposit and have that money in my account. There's no having to deal with 15 to 16 different types of payments because, nowadays not many people are on one. They have like multiple and the whole nine. So it's still pretty cool that they are allowed to capture right there without having to go off to any service. And then, so it's important to make sure you guys realize that, you're still going to have to set up a Stripe account. Like, you're going to be able to capture the money and take money today, but in order to get paid, you need to set up that Stripe account so you can get paid on that. Or put your account number in there so you get paid on that. Here's another important thing, your audience, because email capture is the number one thing you need to focus on when you're going into affiliate marketing. And having the ability to capture your audience right in here will give you the power of having their email address or phone number. So when you set up other services, to email them, to contact them, to sell them other goods, to upsell them other goods, to sell them other services, you'll have an app right here where it's building out your email list. Now, comparing this, you're getting this for free compared to what you would have to do in something like Beacons or Linktree, which is pay the upsell price to get access to capture emails. Standwith.me is actually doing that for free for you. So this is essentially a free landing page that you could use to now capture that lead, get that email, push them off to the affiliate sale, and now you have a back pocket now you have the route into their email where you could start contacting them, communicating with them. All right, and the last thing I'm going to go towards is covered appointments. So you can see all your appointments right in here. You don't even have to leave the app to see any upcoming appointments. If you need to edit your calendar settings, just smash that button and you could change your calendar if you need to. And then you see your analytics. So it'll actually show you how many people clicked your link, your daily total revenue, your traffic breakdown, as it's coming from Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok, your conversion rate, and your funnel breakdown. So your funnel breakdown, that's actually pretty cool. So it shows you which one they clicked, and I'm not sure what bounces mean. Maybe bounce to another page, or they just opened it up and closed it immediately. So pretty cool stuff here with standwith.me. I'm going to actually grab this link for you, and I'm going to drop it in the video description below. You guys, if you guys want to check it out, you can get it for free. I don't think I even get much off of it. And the last bonus feature I'm going to say is you could actually set up a texting service through this. So I actually clicked this where it's like get number. So of course I was like, oh man, a free number. That's awesome. Pretty cool. Well, no, it's going to actually charge you $30 a month at plus 20% per subscriber to add that. So that is something where you can add. That's probably like one of the small upsell features in Stand With Me is they're going to charge you $30 a month to get a actual texting number. But then you could start actually texting people to their device. Instead of their email, they'll get the text message. So that's actually a pretty good upsell as well. And you could offer a subscription to your super fans so they could actually text with you. So you could easily make that money back or recoup that money. But to set that up on the front end, you're going to need to dish out like $30 a month for that. So anyway, that's standwith.me. Pretty cool. The guy seems really awesome who actually came up with this, who I found it from. And I would tell you, please go check it out. So here's the website. I'm going to drop the link in the description below. If you like what you see, please smash the subscribe button to my channel, and I bring you more of these. And you can see this is the guy I actually found, John Hugh. He's the guy who actually made this standwith.me come to life, and that's how I found this. I found him on Instagram. So